Are you ready to discover 20 kitchen gadgets under $50 on Amazon that are worth every single dollar? From futuristic tools that make cooking effortless to unique gadgets that will totally upgrade your kitchen game, we've rounded up the best affordable finds you didn't know you needed. Stick around till the end, because some of these clever gadgets will change the way you cook forever. Number 1. Reusable silicone stretch lids. Set the reusable silicone stretch lids. Set is a versatile, eco-friendly solution for keeping food fresh. These flexible lids stretch to fit various bowl sizes, jars, or containers, forming an airtight seal that reduces spills and waste. Made from durable, BPA-free silicone, they're heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup effortless, compact, and reusable. They replace single-use plastic wrap while adding convenience and a premium feel to your kitchen. Affordable yet high quality, this set is perfect for home cooks who want sustainability, organization, and efficiency in food storage. Number 2. Rolling Pin and Pastry Mat Set. The rolling pin and pastry mat set is perfect for baking enthusiasts looking for precision and ease. The non-stick silicone mat protects countertops, measures ingredients with built-in guides, and keeps dough in place. The smooth, ergonomic rolling pin ensures even pressure for pastries, cookies, and pizza. Durable, easy to clean, and compact for storage, this set combines practicality with a premium feel. Affordable yet high quality, it's ideal for home bakers who want to create professional-looking baked goods with minimal mess and maximum efficiency. Number 3. Herb Scissors 5-Blade Cutter. The Herb Scissors 5-Blade Cutter makes chopping fresh herbs faster and more precise. Its 5 sharp stainless steel blades cut through parsley, cilantro, chives, and more in seconds, saving time and effort. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort during extended use, while the included cleaning comb keeps blades residue-free. Durable, lightweight, and easy to store, it feels premium in daily use. Affordable yet high quality, these scissors are perfect for home cooks and meal preppers who want efficiency, precision, and convenience when adding fresh flavors to their dishes. Number 4. Kitessensu Garlic Press Mincer. The Kitessensu Garlic Press Mincer effortlessly crushes garlic cloves for quick, flavorful cooking. Made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, and it handles garlic with minimal effort, while the ergonomic handle reduces hand strain. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, it saves prep time and keeps kitchens tidy. Compact and stylish, it fits neatly in drawers without taking up space. Affordable yet high quality, this garlic press feels premium and is an essential tool for home cooks who want efficiency, convenience, and fresh, perfectly minced garlic every time. Number 5. Trudeau Avocado Slicer 2-in-1. The Trudeau Avocado Slicer 2-in-1 makes slicing, pitting, and scooping avocados simple and mess-free. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfort, while the durable stainless steel blade and scooper make prep safe and efficient. Compact and easy to store, it's perfect for smoothies, salads, or toast. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. It combines practicality with a premium-feeling design. Affordable yet high quality, this slicer is ideal for avocado lovers seeking convenience, safety, and a stylish, reliable tool in the kitchen. Number 6. Spring Chef Magnetic Measuring Spoons. The Spring Chef Magnetic Measuring Spoons provide accurate, reliable measurements with added convenience. Each spoon features strong magnets to keep sets together, reducing clutter and loss. Made from durable stainless steel, they resist rust and provide long-lasting precision for cooking and baking. Comfortable handles and a sleek, polished finish give a premium feel, while compact design makes storage simple. Affordable yet high quality, these measuring spoons are perfect for home chefs who want accuracy, organization, and a practical, stylish solution for everyday ingredient measurements. Number 7. Antonki Digital Kitchen Timer. The Antonki Digital Kitchen Timer is a simple, precise tool for keeping track of cooking or baking times. Its large, easy-to-read display and loud alarm ensure accuracy for any recipe. Compact and portable, it fits neatly on countertops or can be attached magnetically to appliances. Durable and user-friendly, it provides professional-level timing without complexity. Affordable yet premium feeling, this timer is perfect for home cooks who want reliable, hassle-free monitoring of meals, ensuring perfectly timed dishes with minimal stress and maximum convenience in the kitchen. Number 8. Hoshanho Magnetic Knife Strip. The Hoshanho Magnetic Knife Strip offers a sleek, safe, and organized way to store knives and metal utensils. Strong magnets hold blades securely while keeping them accessible and off countertops, reducing clutter and hazards. Made from durable, high-quality materials, it's easy to mount and complements any kitchen decor. Compact yet practical, it saves space while displaying knives professionally. Affordable yet premium feeling, the Hoshanho Magnetic Knife Strip is perfect for home chefs who value organization, safety, and efficiency while keeping their kitchen stylish and tidy. Number 9. Nihome over Sink Cutting Board. The Nihome over Sink Cutting Board is a space-saving solution that fits securely over sinks for easy chopping, slicing, and food prep. Its durable, BPA-free construction resists stains and odors, while the non-slip edges provide stability. Perfect for small kitchens, and it allows direct transfer of chopped ingredients into pots or bowls, minimizing mess. Easy to clean and store, it combines functionality with a sleek, premium feel. Affordable yet high quality, this cutting board is ideal for home cooks seeking convenience, efficiency, and organized meal preparation in limited spaces. Number 10. Kongnai Silicone Funnel Set. The Kongnai Silicone Funnel Set provides a versatile and convenient way to transfer liquids, oils, or powders without spills. Made from heat-resistant, flexible silicone, these collapsible funnels save storage space and fit easily in drawers. Durable, easy to clean, and BPA-free, they withstand frequent use in busy kitchens. Compact yet practical, they feel premium despite the affordable price. Perfect for cooking, baking, or pantry organization. Kongnai Silicone Funnel Set combines efficiency, convenience, and high-quality design, making kitchen prep smoother and more enjoyable for home cooks. Number 11. Hand Lemon Citrus Juicer. The Hand Lemon Citrus Juicer makes extracting juice from lemons, limes, and small citrus fruits effortless. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable squeezing while maximizing juice extraction with minimal effort. Made from durable BPA-free materials, it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe, providing long-lasting performance. Compact and lightweight, it fits neatly in drawers or utensil holders. Affordable yet high quality, this juicer feels premium and is perfect for home cooks who want fresh, mess-free citrus juice for drinks, marinades, or cooking with minimal hassle. Number 12. Stainless Steel Egg Slicer. The stainless steel egg slicer effortlessly slices boiled eggs evenly for salads, sandwiches, or garnishes. Its sharp stainless steel wires ensure precise cuts without crushing, while the ergonomic base keeps eggs stable during use. Durable, easy to clean, and compact, it's perfect for daily kitchen prep or meal prepping. Affordable yet premium feeling, this slicer adds convenience, precision, and efficiency to your cooking routine, making it a must-have tool for home chefs who want professional quality results with minimal effort and maximum speed. Number 13. Brieftons Vegetable Spiralizer. The Brieftons Vegetable Spiralizer transforms vegetables into noodles, ribbons, or garnishes quickly and easily. Its sharp, durable blades handle zucchini, carrots, cucumbers, and more, while the ergonomic handle ensures safe and comfortable use. Compact and easy to clean, it saves counter space and makes meal prep fun and efficient. Affordable yet premium feeling, this spiralizer is perfect for home cooks seeking healthy, visually appealing dishes with minimal effort, combining style, durability, and practicality in one versatile kitchen gadget. Number 14. Kitchenaid Can and Bottle Opener. The Kitchenaid Can and Bottle Opener is a compact, versatile tool designed for effortless opening of cans, bottles, and jars. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the ergonomic handle provides comfort and control. Safe, easy to use, and compact for storage, it's ideal for busy kitchens or on-the-go tasks. Affordable yet premium feeling, this opener combines convenience, durability, and efficiency, making it a must-have tool for home chefs who want a reliable, stylish, and easy solution for opening a variety of kitchen containers. Number 15. Hamilton Beach Hand Mixer. The Hamilton Beach Hand Mixer makes mixing, whipping, and blending effortless with multiple speed settings for different recipes. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfort and control, while the durable beaters handle batters, doughs, and creams efficiently. Compact, lightweight, and easy to store, it's perfect for everyday cooking or baking projects. Affordable yet premium feeling, this hand mixer combines convenience, efficiency, and professional quality performance, making it an essential gadget for home chefs who want reliable, versatile, and easy-to-use mixing tools. Number 16. Sapid Silicone Bowl Scraper. The Sapid Silicone Bowl Scraper is a flexible, heat-resistant tool perfect for scraping, folding, and mixing ingredients in bowls or pans. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during use, while durable silicone resists staining, odors, and warping. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, it provides professional-level performance in a compact, affordable package. Number 17. Rfaqk Cake Decorating Kit. The Rfaqk Cake Decorating Kit provides everything needed to create professional-looking cakes, cupcakes, and pastries. It includes piping bags, tips, and accessories for intricate designs, while the ergonomic tools ensure comfort during extended use. Durable and easy to clean, the kit is perfect for beginners and experienced bakers alike. Affordable yet premium feeling, it combines functionality, versatility, and style, making cake decorating easier, more precise, and more enjoyable. Number 18. Kitchen Mama Silicone Basting Brush. The Kitchen Mama Silicone Basting Brush makes applying sauces, oils, or marinades easy and precise. Its heat-resistant silicone bristles evenly coat food without shedding or absorbing odors, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfort during use. Dishwasher, safe and durable, it provides long-lasting performance for grilling, baking, or cooking. Affordable yet premium feeling, this basting brush adds convenience, efficiency, and style to everyday cooking. Number 19. Nilehome Stainless Steel Whisk Set. The Nilehome Stainless Steel Whisk Set includes multiple sizes for mixing, whipping, and beating ingredients with ease. Made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, each whisk provides strength and flexibility for smooth, lump-free results. Ergonomic handles ensure comfort during extended use, while the sleek design adds a professional touch. Compact and easy to store, these whisks feel premium despite their affordable price. Number 20. Ecolution Microwave Popcorn Popper. The Ecolution Microwave Popcorn Popper allows for healthy, mess-free popcorn without oil or butter. Made from durable, BPA-free silicone, it's microwave-safe and easy to clean, providing a convenient, reusable alternative to bags. Its compact design fits neatly in any kitchen and collapses for storage, while the vented lid ensures perfect popping every time. That's a wrap on 20 kitchen gadgets under $50 on Amazon, worth every dollar. Which one are you adding to your kitchen first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to discover more smart, budget-friendly finds.